my garden. This is Claudette, South Florida Garden, and just bringing you back. It's been about a week since my last video. I just wanted to bring you to this little garden of mine to show you the spinach and some of the other plants, how big they've gotten since the last time you viewed this. See, the leaves are getting broader, and they're looking healthy, nice and green. And some of the other plants here, these are radishes that I planted on the 21st. Today's the 29th, so they came up pretty quickly. I wasn't expecting them to come up this fast. And these are beets. There's just one little plant in there, so I guess I won't be seeing too much until another week or so. These are some more spinach plants that I planted on the 19th of January. And here's another grow bag with I think there's 3 of them. The leaves are very small right now. And here are the tomatoes, also in grow bags. I can see like 7 tomatoes there, and they're looking healthy, and there's more flowers, which means more tomatoes. So this is probably going to produce quite a few tomatoes, and this is awesome. Very nice. Here's some more, and there's 2 more on the side here, along with the little yellow flowers. Very nice. I'm very pleased about that. And over here, this is the other garden with some other plants in there. These in the middle here are spinach, and these on the side here, these are chards. But these are lagging behind. They're still very small. In fact, the ones that were planted after them are much bigger than these are, and it's because they didn't get much fertilizer. So since I've put fertilizer on them, that's about a week ago, they are looking a bit greener. So they just need time. They need time. And here are the lettuce and the bok choys. They were planted on the 9th of January. They're tiny, but they're coming up. They're looking good. And this is that potato plant back there. So potatoes, when they mature, the foliage begins to turn yellow brownish, and they die off, and that's when you can harvest them. So we still have quite a while to go, another 2 months or so, before these are even mature enough. And these are a bed of lettuce. I planted those on the 21st, so by next week, or around next week, or the end of next week, there should be some little green shoots coming out of the soil there. And I'll bring you back when that happens. Okay, and over here is another bed that I resurrected. Last year I had a lot of cucumbers in here, and then I just let it go. After I harvested the cucumbers, I just let the garden just go bust. But last week I decided to resurrect it again, so I forked it over, turned the soil over, added some more potting soil and garden soil, and I put some fertilizer in there. And then I planted some cucumbers on this side here. I did that on the 26th. And on this side I have some garden beans. So in another 14 days or so, I should be seeing some activity, some little green leaves coming out of the ground. But like I've mentioned, I've done cucumbers in this very bed, and I got a lot of cucumbers. It was very bountiful. As long as you keep them watered and fertilized and keep them healthy and keep the pests away from them, it will be bountiful. You'll get quite a satisfying harvest. So that's it, just a little update for you guys on what's going on back here. And I'll just keep you informed, and we'll see how it goes. So far, so good. So until then, I'll see you guys later, and try to plant something. Try to garden. It's fun. I suspect that you like it very much. So love you guys. God bless and see you later.